It's time for Puzzle of the Day! And today we have the answer to yesterday's puzzle. Yesterday I asked you to create as many shapes as you could using 5 squares. And you gave me some great answers. These are the most shapes that you can actually create. And there's 12 in total. Some of you made the little error of sending me, for example, this shape here has 5 squares and is a long, thin one. You sent me this and this. Now that might seem like different shapes, but it's just the same shape rotated. So be careful with that. Your puzzle today is not really a puzzle, but you need to create every single one of these shapes, and we need them for later in the week for our puzzles. So measure carefully, make sure every square is the same size, and cut them exactly like I have. You can watch the video again to make sure that you get every single shape perfectly. There should be 12 and they should all be different. Another little challenge that I would like you to do, you need to try and work out what is the name of these shapes. And I'm going to give you a couple of clues. So all shapes, usually their name has a meaning, okay? So here we've got a circle, here a triangle, okay? A rectangle, a pentagon. So those shapes, the amount of sides they have is related to the name. And I've got an extra clue. This is a rectangle made up of 2 squares. What is that called, guys? Hopefully you know the game. This is called a domino. Now with those clues, I want you to think about what is the name for all of these shapes. There's one name, and I want you to think really carefully about what that name might be. So, first, make these shapes and look after them because you need them later in the week. And number 2, think carefully about what is the name for these shapes. Use the knowledge and use the clues I gave you. Good luck!